睇家下嘅波圖地圖，我能認識到沙米人佢會利用天然資源、安然食材，對未來佢樂觀嘅一面。不過，伊呢唔係一路以來都係安尼哦。所有嘅改變都係驗證1世紀以前嘅一場跨國大會開始嘅。1917年2月初6，瑞典一隻西總頭迪卡納斯嘅南部沙米人 Elsa Laura Ramberg， 伊家下40歲，伊想講挪威同瑞典政府對沙米人佢唔公平，故所一路出來，喺挪威總部有幾多沙米人嘅創刊，開業頭一擺嘅沙米大會。沙米議題也正式受到公開討論同注意。下後 Elsa 唔單止變做沙米運動嘅帶頭者，2月初6也變做沙米國慶日。1世紀過後，世界各國有共用顯眼嘅沙米人，都轉去頭擺開會嘅位所，也擺嘅幫人慶典，因為用開 party 嘅心情，體會到相互之間嗰種無本唔係內國，大家關係過親過親嘅感受。一隻沙米人嘅體驗的，連挪威嘅兩個元素也親身出席。其中挪威嘅首相 Erna Solberg 接受我哋嘅專訪家下，有這個對沙米人非常理。
位在挪威第三台上 Trondheim。將近就幾千年歷史嘅尼德洛斯交通中上雄起，也為全世界最北邊嘅 Cathedral， 也是高級宗教嘅正式主題。作為挪威最重要嘅交通，從15世紀開始，挪威國王是對呢位加冕，王冠就本表對地圖展示。2月初6兩日並唔係禮拜日，不過羅野民眾比做禮拜時間還要多。交通都非常點齊，每日上就非常之快門嘅開合。挪威國王下拉的5世天天的向前行，佢嘅戰術片呢係挪威主教 Helga Haugland Bifagland， 佢嘅作曲片呢係沙米教會協會主席 Sarah Ellen Amihira， 佢嘅國家元首宗教領袖，共同出席2場盛會嘅，有挪威首相 Erna Solberg， 到 Trondheim 嘅市長 Rita Irene Outvik， 還有來自世界各地嘅沙米族群，從上到下，從皇室到平民，從政府官員到普通嘅百姓，大家齊齊一堂，係唯獨嘅紀念100年前全球第一屆沙米大會。
We came here with bus. We traveled with bus, so we had to stay in Sweden for a night, and we drove from Kautokeino to Sweden in I think 10 hours or something. And then the next day when we traveled from Sweden to Trondheim, it took 10 hours. So yesterday we traveled for 10 hours straight. So that was really, really intense.
Does that worth it?
Yeah, it was definitely worth it. It was amazing to see all the Sami people and to just to be here, basically. It was amazing.
你冇睇唔錯，但係從家鄉到大會舉辦嘅地點，是坐20點鐘嘅巴士。過程當中還先出國到瑞典去協助同時盤查，就算安然係唔張揚，從2種。你先上到Trondheim嘅沙米大會，然後重新共享新奇嘅熱情。
It's nice. I like many people from all the Sami people.
I'm really excited because it's my birthday too today. So I'm like, oh my God, I'm here with many other Sami people from many countries, and it's awesome.
Happy birthday, and where are you from?
I'm from Finnmark in North Norway.
Could you tell us why is today so important to Sami people?
Ida.
It's been 100 years since we all Samis were together in here for the first time. It was kind of a conference, and our cooperation started kind of again. So now we are celebrating here together our national day, national day, yeah.
到底对8年前发生的乜嘅事情，因為馬上好稍微，本身面後台，很安樣，日台傳日台，遵照傳統。
How much do you know about the event today?
I know Elsa Laula was the first Sami who she got all the Samis from the different countries here 100 years ago.
Elsa Laula 嚟咗名啊，對薩米大會現場根本講到，佢嘅上就萬年多久，甚至還有用佢愛名嘅舞台劇，對8年之後正式修正。呢度還能顯示出佢對日世紀嘅薩米政治運動過程當中扮演嘅幾重要嘅角色。
We are doing this interview in front of Elsa Laula. Do you know about her?
Yeah, I know her. She was the person who started this convention 100 years ago, called all Sami together to have a Trondheim conversation, and where they all made all these language things and so on. They started Sami politic organization as it's today.
Elsa Laula 為企出來，最主要嘅原因是要反抗19世紀末開始進行嘅人類的挪威法政策。該時間挪威政府立法禁止對學校講薩米語，薩米嘅聲音呢也過不咗為學挪威語，我大量嘅鼓勵挪威人入讀薩米先發嘅薩米，去開墾、去大、去打炭、去開田廠。同時間，是禁止薩米人賣土地，甚至在1950年代之前，薩米人還被挪威政府看作係甚至與強權嘅職權。雖然有啲唔公平嘅對待，對20世紀中者漸漸減少，我對現實主義來講，去到上個世紀末，挪威國王哈拉德5世正式對薩米人恢復了之後，又從薩米版嘅轉型正義，將正式邁入新嘅階段。1997年2月初七，薩米大會89年嘅時節，朝鮮國王將6年lang嘅哈拉德5世嘅時節係安陽講嘅。挪威兩個國家係由薩米人和挪威人兩種民族組成嘅。薩米和挪威嘅歷史分開來，根本嘅我代表政府為按你挑白唔公平這項陸府嘅挪威法政策，向薩米人恢復的。日國年少，日吹天任，按我恢復的，挪威政府就是目標唔記得，就算過咗20年代，就算係對國外媒體嘅鏡頭面前，挪威首相安娜索伯接受客家電視台專訪嘅時節，過一擺表態實力。認真講清楚，是從轉型正義理論地圖最基本嘅要求，恢復的仍然唔嫌多，除非受害者講已經拿牌咧。
We would like to know what is Sami's importance for Norway.
Well, it's the Norwegian territory has two people, the Sami and the Norwegian. They are part of our history and our culture. The most important part is that we do acknowledge that we did wrongs in our history, and we are now trying to support education, support language, cultural education. As I know you in Taiwan also have minorities. I've been there. I visited your park for minorities, so we have some of the same challenges.
Yes, thank you so much, Prime Minister. This is Hakka TV from Taiwan. Thank you again. Bye bye.
Thank you.
恢復的總理張榮講嚟聽聽，了解薩米人講清楚。作為薩米人最多嘅國家，最期盼薩米大會嘅所在國，挪威政府當然就做知道。過去30年來，在薩米分布嘅4個國家當中，挪威政府嘅轉型正義，雖然最出行到最挑戰，做到最多位嘅。
If you talk politics and governmental policies and so on, I think you basically can say that it's a west-east scale where you have the most interest of Sami issues and the best policies in Norway, and then it goes south. So you end in Russia, where I think the Sami population has the most difficult situation.
其實是拿挪威 瑞典、芬蘭3國都有嘅三民議會來講，三民議望到8,300芬蘭最後盤，對1973年是聖都北部嘅 NR 設立三民議會。所以挪威嘅三民議會16年之後對芬馬克區嘅 Karasjok 設立，所以瑞典嘅三民議會會到1993年將成立。不過特別注意嘅係，雖然名額都喊做議會，其實對啲3隻國家嘅三民議會並冇涉及制定也修改法律。
What is the main function of Sami Parliament?
We're the advisor for the government's politics and of course we have some self-determination over own budget and some learning books, school books and so on. So we have some function but we don't do any laws. We don't.
You know, the most important is that we have negotiation with the government, and we have a very good negotiation with the Swedish government just now. I have met all ministers, for example.
大家可能會好奇，俄羅斯就有2次嘅三民議，不過佢哋政府50年，佢哋為三民議會，咁講，佢哋是主天本派出隊嚟爭取大家族之外。實際上，對1956年，嗰是4隻國家嘅三民議是協議組成的，名額按照Sami Raad嘅三民委員會，透過兩隻由15個委員所組成的非政府組織。當年可200會，4年100大會，適合所有三民嘅力量共下思考，維護三民族嘅權利和利益。
It has several aspects and functions within all committees within itself, and one of them is the Arctic and Environmental Unit, and the second one in Human Rights Unit, and the third one is the Cultural Unit that has concerns about culture, language, music, and so on.
除了政治，我為對三民權益建制化腳步超過其他國家能直接關鍵，是佢哋有全世界最完整嘅三民高等教育研究機構。為晒靠住開腦嘅第二度試打，佢嘅中文解釋算係三民嘅第一中心，我全世界唯一一間三民大學是到第二度。
We have different kind of educations there. We have, for instance, teacher education. We have bachelor programs in reindeer husbandry. We have bachelor programs in Sami craft and art and Sami language, and also journalism. And then we also have master's programs, and we have PhD in Sami language, Sami language and Sami literature. So our programs are based on the needs of the Sami society.
What is the importance of this university?
What is most important here is that Sami language is used everywhere in all the programs, in all the studies, and as the language of the building. So that's the most important thing, I think. For me, it's been very important that we have a Sami perspective in everything we do, and also that I can write it in Sami language. And it's also important for the Sami language to become an academic language, to show that it has value that is on the same level as the majority languages.
對三民大學地圖唔單將傳遞歷史嘅載體理念，連教學嘅創辦也係萬能都從三民出發。有一點，從學生嘅上課教室是看得出來。
What is this classroom different from the others?
It's round in shape, and this is for me the most special room for education here, because it's round. It's like the traditional Sami building you see over there. Lavvu. Yeah, because you have the fireplace in the middle, and then you sit around it and you talk and you exchange knowledge. So this is a special room because it's not squared, and it's not one sitting and telling others, but we sit like this and we talk to each other.
爭取本基條權利，教育本基條知識。除了之外，本三面屬於其他嘅使用者專屬嘅媒體會設計發聲。體育者三面廣播節目對1945年時開播，目到咧2017年嘅離合。三面人係冇設計專屬嘅電視頻道，無論對挪威、瑞典亦係芬蘭，對啦各式公共電視，分別係挪威嘅 NRK、瑞典嘅 SVT และ芬蘭嘅 YLE 合作。
What's the role of media play in Sápmi?
Media has a big role in Sápmi because it's there every day. Even if people don't live in, for example, traditional livelihoods or don't live in the Sami area, the media is there and you can access it anywhere and anyone can access it. It's free, it's for the common good. The Sami media has kept up the culture and the language across the borders, and that's really important. It's a reminder every day that we are a people living in 4 countries.
There are so many people ask about us, what is your Hakka perspective? So I would like to know how you represent Sami perspective on media.
That is a really good question, and it's really important question, because we have been talking inside internally in NRK that it's the Samis should tell their own stories. That is another kind of perspective than when a Norwegian journalist tells the stories about us. And that's also why we have to priority to tell our stories nationally, not only for the Sami community. Because we have another kind of perspective. We have the ground floor.
負責考察嘅 NRK 三面電視台，想講唔係要只正式嘅片頭，佢願意放送嘅時間，也是在短短嘅8點鐘，15分鐘嘅兒童節目，落15分鐘嘅新聞。不過，佢有88個人工，對兩位有70個，嗱其他人係對全挪威各地。可能係新聞嘅總長度，也是講短短嘅15分鐘。對呢兩圈當然都係播8點鐘 live 新聞嘅媒體工作者來講，最主要嘅算係。佢哋對當年嘅現場新聞之前，都會先完全嘅排練準備。
We do that because we're 3 countries that work together to create Sami news, and we have 4 languages that we have to text. Everything has to have subtitles, and everything has to go smoothly. With that. So that's why we have a rehearsal, just to see that everything is in place, that we can broadcast this, and that we can be proud of it.
食材要拿度好，做呢方面NRK 10概念，短短15分鐘嘅新聞，竟然俾呢兩圈人道自黑，都對這隻意外嘅驚喜。馬上上至到背嚟13000公里，來到挪威北部嘅 NRK 三面電視台，今日都記得話啱咗新聞，我打時間看到呢設計國界名啊。
Tähte pohti Taiwanissa. Päätkici Kazakkalanissa. Puolut pohti Taiwanissa. Solju pohti Tuisks.
對這件當關22點鐘，對新聞可能台灣人來講，願意講15分鐘嘅新聞，可能係當到半年有啲咧，當然想象。三面人設計就係兩版平台。
We have the SR Sápmi in Sweden.
So, do you normally will watch the program from that channel?
Yeah, I do every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
How do you like their news and program?
It's very good, but in Sweden it's very short time that they can broadcast in Sweden.
For example, how short it is?
It's 50 minutes per day, and then they cover the whole Sami region. So they have to cover all 4 countries. So it only gets about 5 minutes Swedish news.
They feel that it's enough with the Swedish news or Norwegian news.
But for you, it's not enough?
Not at all, because we are our own culture, own nation, and we need to produce own news.
You have this different Sami media in 3 countries.
But is that enough for Sami people now?
No, I don't think it is enough. I think the Sami media, the national broadcasters, the Sami media under the national broadcasters, I think the Sami media should be combined. We should put them together and have one Sami media that serves the whole people, because that's a way to really have also the power and use the power that media has to serve democracy. And that's the way to serve a pan-Sami democracy and not work in 3 different places under the national organizations.
對你採訪嘅過程當中，有關三米電視台嘅問題，問了10個屆三米人，從南到北，從老到嫩，差唔多啥都講，從你眼中嘅三米水團完全唔辣。小語感人，遇見到大家顛倒。雖然講長語感人就係比例動態，不過佢嘅身份特別，佢嘅發言就叫越聽越中意。
As you told me, regularly from Monday to Friday, you have this 15 minutes news and the 15 minutes children's program. Do you think that's enough?
We can't count minutes anymore. That's not the issue anymore. We have to count how many people do we reach and how do we reach the audience. We can 15 minutes, maybe that's enough, but if it isn't good enough, then they won't look at it. So that's why we now, both in children's television, news and everything we do, we have to ask the audience and check out how does our content reach you? And what kind of content do you want? In what kind of media platform do you want it? Today we have 15 minutes children television on television. We know in Norway most of the children doesn't look at television, traditional television anymore. They are searching for the content on iPads and other kind of mobile phones.
Same in Taiwan.
Yeah, okay.
在這種前提下，三米休息錯缺，按到年來忙了就忙。而家獨立自主嘅三米電視台，被冇對數百隻膨脹嘅規劃之內。
Is becoming an independent channel an issue for Anak Sami?
No, it isn't, because we don't really see it. It's not a challenge for us to be a part of NRK. If there would have been an issue, yes, then we would have discussed it. But it is really we only have advantages.
No disadvantages.
No, I can't see any disadvantages by now at all. We have really NRK that they really want more Sami content on the main channels.
Yes.
They really want us to be a part of the Norwegian society. And as long as we have this kind of attitude, there is not an issue.
這膨脹講到高端，一種堅決的態度，顛倒本的相機，也設計之前，留下勞拉 Ramberg 通過挪威人的答提出來的希望。該世界喜歡下面三米文化的挪威人，你也是希望在多度媒體下呈現三米特色。百年前的對抗也自然就根本合作團體。今年多係留下勞拉 Ramberg 展開90世紀來。挑戰擺三米傳統百年經驗，就算三米人冇一隻共同嘅議會，冇設計電視台，不過10萬三米台軍日志堅挺，冇燃動戰士，還能唔係勝利實質。
We have not reached Elsa Lola's goal yet, but we are heading there. And it's important that we are organized so our battle can be visualized for the governments and to the majority people. So we still live by Elsa Lola's spirits.
客家天師2008年開始執行他山自殺嘅專案，今年起過為威尼斯、愛爾蘭、蘇格蘭還有100個挪威。看國族群嘅規模，3米人係親手三分布啊，親發的。 不过，请本人想唔到的是，沙米人比人国多的族群还个团结多。那我家使用族群语言的使用状况，还个为买黑的长途来讲，沙米话是真危险的。不过，没想到睇下四只族群当中，前6个呢也是越南。反正头来看，我们台湾，我们讲有400多万的客家乡亲，还有连沙米人如果一定选项的普惠级别主管机关，还个专属的媒体客家电视，有安尼的条件，假使大家是得强心。强减所有乡亲的自费团力量，客家的未来无论语言也算文化，可能唔是按悲观。下礼拜嘅客家新闻插至录到呀，感谢大家嘅收看，我哋再会。